Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Home Depot, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the Home Depot affiliate program on their official website. Create an account with the Home Depot affiliate program if you haven't done so already. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure and payment terms. Analyze your target audience to understand their interests in home improvement products. Select a niche within the Home Depot catalog that aligns with your audience's needs. Develop high-quality content that showcases Home Depot products effectively. Consider writing product reviews, how-to guides, or project inspiration articles. Incorporate visually appealing images and videos to enhance the user experience. Use your unique affiliate links in a natural and authentic way within your content. Promote seasonal offers or sales events that may resonate with your audience. Utilize social media platforms to share your content and reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Track your performance using analytics tools to see which products generate the most sales. Continuously experiment with different types of content to find what resonates best. Optimize your website for SEO to attract organic traffic to your affiliate links. Consider email marketing campaigns to reach your audience directly with targeted promotions. Network with other affiliate marketers to exchange tips and strategies. Stay updated on Home Depot's new products and sales to keep your content relevant. Regularly reassess your strategies based on performance data and audience feedback. Implement changes and optimize your approach to maximize your affiliate marketing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.